All right. So here we are. Okay, so here's that simulator that I had. Now we've got it all the way, we've got this cannon all the way at 10 meters. So let's just act like we're going to shoot this thing. I don't want any air resistance. I don't want the vector components. I'm just going to fire this thing. I've got a football, a pumpkin in there. I'm going to fire it at 15 meters per second, and it's going to go this way, okay? So you can see what it looks like. There it goes. Boom. All right, and then I'd measure that, bring that out. It's 21.4 meters. All right, now the time that that thing was in the air would be the exact same time that, oh, let's try that again. Let's back that up. Try it again. Boom. Come on, I want to see the time. I can't see the time. I think if I put this thing down here, okay, so it's 1.43 seconds. Sorry about that. Made you sit around. And the other thing too, this is FET Colorado Springs. All right, so let's lower it down. So as you can see, it shut. Now, if I fire that thing straight down at negative 90 degrees, but I need to, okay, so it's going to come out of here at negative 90 degrees. Now let's watch what happens. Let's go measure that one. Why is that only half the time? Oh, because I fired it down. I didn't drop it. Notice, I didn't fire it. I dropped it. I mean, I fired it and I didn't drop it. However, if I just dropped something from this height, it would have taken 1.43 seconds. Trust me. I'm a doctor. You're right. You're a moron. Okay, now let's go ahead and lower this thing. Let's erase everything. All right, so now it's all ready to go. Let's bring it back down here to where it's at 0. Now watch. Watch what happens when I shoot it at 25 degrees. All right, at 15 meters per second. So here we go. Boom. Shoot that pumpkin. Boom. There it is. And it went 17.7 meters. Now, 90 minus 25 gives me 65, right? So now I want to shoot it at 60. But let's look at the time. The time was 1.29 seconds. The range was 17.57 meter, ballpark right around in there, okay? And it went from 0 height to this height, okay? So now, let's do the same thing. Let's change the height. Let's change the height to 65. There we go. Let's change it to 65 degrees. And now let's fire it. Let's see. I'm going to leave my target right there. Now watch what happens. Oh, please hit the target. Boom! Hits the target. But look, the only thing that's different, the only thing is the same range, the time was a lot longer. All right? So there's the big idea behind projectile motion, which we will talk about, and that's part of doing the long jump. Okay, so we're done here.